This is a screen printer. We can use this screen printer printing UV varnish to the aluminum bottle or glass bottle if you want to use hot stamping machine. Okay, printing. After we printing the UV varnish to the aluminum bottle, we use a screen printer printing the UV varnish to the aluminum bottle. That is, then you need to install gold foil to the hot stamping machine. If you want stamping silver color, you have to install the silver foil. Also, we can stamping glass bottle and gold color, and this one is silver color. Also, we need to printing UV varnish to connect the bottle and foil. Okay. After stamping the gold color to the aluminum bottle, the UV varnish is the most important. If you master printing UV varnish to the aluminum bottle or glass bottle, the UV varnish can connect the foil between the metal or aluminum. Also, we can hot stamping glass. You can see silver color or gold color, and aluminum bottle